Active listening is more than being quiet while the other person talks. It's a posture of full attention. Here are a few examples of what active listening looks like in contrast to inactive listening. Imagine your partner says something like, "When you don't text me back for hours, I feel like I can't trust you." An inactive listening response might be, "I was busy, okay? You're overreacting. I can't always be glued to my phone." On the other hand, an active listening response would sound like, "I hear that when I don't respond, it makes you feel unsafe and anxious. That makes sense, given everything that we've been through." Do you see the difference? In the first response, the speaker gets defensive, self-centered, and accusatory. Whereas in the second response, the speaker reflects the emotions that they're hearing from their partner and acknowledges the legitimacy of those feelings. That's active listening. Let's look at another scenario. Let's say you're chatting with a friend at work and they share, "I've been swamped with projects and no one seems to notice how stressed I am." An inactive listening response would be, "Yeah, me too. You should just tell your boss to back off." Here's an example of an active listening response. "Wow, it sounds like you've been carrying a heavy load and you're feeling unseen. That sounds exhausting." The first response might be true, that you're feeling the same way that they are, but it isn't active listening. It's turning the attention back to your own experience without focusing on your friend's feelings. It also jumps to problem fixing too soon, before showing any kind of empathy or understanding first. It also misses the point. The friend just wants to be seen, not told what to do. Here are a few techniques you can practice to improve active listening. Put away distractions. Phone down, eyes up. Show you're present. Also use short affirmations. Simple words like, "I hear you." "That makes sense." Go on. Also ask clarifying questions. "When you say you feel unsafe, can you tell me more about what that looks like for you?" Don't interrupt. Let the person finish, even if you feel defensive. Think of active listening as creating space. Your job isn't to fill the silence with your explanations. It's to make enough space for the other person's voice to be fully heard.